Hello, I am Guy Selga from touringplans.com, back with another Disney merchandise review. And every once in a while, a piece of Disney merchandise just like clicks with me. That's not clicking with the snap, but you get the idea. And this is one of them. So this is a Haunted Mansion diorama set. This one is of Madame Leota's little seance room area thing. And I'm really excited to get into this. This one kind of came out of nowhere, really surprised me that they would kind of release something like this because I feel like it's very unique. You don't see a lot of Disney merchandise like this where it's from an attraction and it's like a scene from said attraction. Before getting into this one, I want to say there's also another set that came out at the same time, and I'll put some pictures in. It's of the bride scene in the attic of Haunted Mansion, which also looked very cool, but I am not like super attached to that scene. But Madame Leota, all-time classic, all-time great, part of any Disney attraction. So this one I had to pick up. These are $24.99 each. And before I open this up, I'll just read the description on the back of the box. As you can see, it says it includes 3 walls, floor, 5 frames, string, and 2 string clips. The assembled diorama measures 6 inches in height and 6 inches in depth. Authentic accessories include Madame Leota in crystal ball stand, chair with raven, spellbook on stand, side table, single candle, 2 candle displays, a seance table, and a rug. Very cool. Let's bust this open. Okay, this is my first time opening this, so I'm seeing this and you're getting my live reaction. $24.99 is a little bit expensive for what is basically a small, toy set, but something like this is so unique, I feel like I have to support it. Okay, first off, looks like we got the walls and the back piece and the rug right there. Got some instructions, very helpful. We got those frames that this was talking about, the back. And we got some of the accessories there. And looks like we got the candle stand. Or not the candle stand, the Leota stand, yeah. Oh, and there she is right there, Madame Leota, and a little table. Okay, let's rip these bags open. Okay, there's Leota. Looking pretty good. Nice paint job on Leota there. I like that. There's also a string. Get this little table out. This isn't her table, but it's the table with a little candle on it that goes next to her. Like, really nice paint job. The quality on this is really nice. This looks straight out of the Haunted Mansion. All right, now here's the little book. That's so cool. You can actually read it. Wow, that's impressive. Look at that. It's all aged and weathered. Looks good. Can't have the seance scene without the chair with the little crow on it. It looks kind of cute, more than ominous like in the ride, but hey, I'll take it. I mean, this chair looks straight out of Haunted Mansion. Looks like mine broke in the package, but that's okay. The rest of it is in place. I could probably easily glue that back on, but I'm not really worried about that right now. Look how good that looks. Jeez, even the back. All right, we got Madame Leota's table with the cards on it. That is fantastic. Look at that. Nice, sturdy table. I'm gonna get all these little parts out. Fast forward a little bit. Okay, I have all the accessories out. So now I gotta take the rug out to actually put them on there, like on the box. The rug is actual fabric, very vibrant. Looks good. It's not like really low resolution either. Like this doesn't look cheap or anything, which is nice. So I'll just place that rug down, and then guess I'll start putting the pieces there. Little candle. It goes right there. These candles are for Leota. And then we got these two little clips for the walls that I'll get into in a little bit. So, yeah, there you go. There's all the accessories. Wow, look at that. That looks great. All right, here's all the wall pieces. I guess these are the back side, so I'll flip them over. So we got all of the musical instruments that Leota calls upon. And then this one is just the floor. Yeah, just the floor. So let's get that assembled. I'll follow the instructions and fast forward a little bit. All right, got the floor base set up. Collecting some dust already. Now I'll get the back parts in. All right, the backdrop and the floor has been assembled. Pretty easy. You just stick these little beams in there and then slide in the cardboard backs. I like that they put the classic Haunted Mansion wallpaper back there, but overall, I think this looks kind of cheap compared to the accessories. Like, I don't even really know if I'll display it with the backdrop, but I'm glad they included it, and you know, it does make sense because it has all the instruments that Leota mentions. But let's get all the accessories in here and see what this looks like as a completed package. All right, there we go. There's the completed set. Not really much assembly to speak of, just putting these cardboard walls in place and putting all the little accessories on the table and whatnot. Now, if you may remember, it did include these little clips and this string. So what you can do is clip it to the top on the sides, tie the string in, and have Leota float like on the ride. But just like the ride itself, I prefer Leota to be stationary in place, so I am totally fine with leaving her like this as intended. But I think this looks good. $24.99, yeah, it's expensive, but this is such a unique piece of merchandise that it's kind of hard to argue the price. The quality is there. Let me know what you think though. That's what I'm really curious, because this is different. You know, this isn't like a Mickey tie-dye t-shirt or like a bubble wand or whatever. This is something pretty unique. I guess not really a kid's toy either, even though the box says ages 8+. But I don't know, I guess you could play lightly with this and glue it back together for breaks. Anyway, enough rambling. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time.